Hey guys, it's SterlingW. So this is a shower chair. So I got this for my grandma because she needs a shower chair now. And to build it is very simple. It takes like roughly less than 10 minutes to put together. I'll show you that later in the video. But overall, my impressions of this is that it's pretty sturdy. It's supposed to hold like 250 or 300 pounds, so you can sit on it and stuff. I'm gonna give it a try right now. I feel that's kind of the adjustable feet make it a little rickety, which is kind of interesting. So I guess if it's straight sit down and use it as a shower chair, that's fine. I would not suggest standing on this thing. Even though it has non-slip feet and adjustable feet and stuff like that, adjustable legs. Overall, it's very sturdy, but it feels kind of strange for the rickety part of the legs. It does have drainage holes and stuff, and the fittings are brass, which is nice, and it's aluminum too. So as you can see, the adjustment pieces on the bottom, it does have like a shower hose, like I guess holder, so you could put your shower there. But mine is of course too short for this. You probably want to put a longer shower hose for your grandparents, or for my grandparents. I'll probably have to install a longer short shower hose for her. But overall, it's pretty cool. It has drainage hose. It has a lip in the back, so so I guess you know which one is the front, which is the back of the chair. So overall, installing this thing was very simple. It took less than 10 minutes. It just has two legs. It has little protector things on it where you have to take off. But once you take this out, it's pretty straightforward. There's four legs or four legs and then adjustable legs, and then they have these numbering systems on it. You see that the fittings are actually brass, which is nice. And what you do is just basically take the leg and match the number with the number, starting with 1. So I have number 3 and 1 right now, and I'm going to go ahead and put it first because it's different. So you have to make sure you do it by numbers. So I guess, once you match up the numbers, you put in the screws and you set it in. You could put the center screw first, but make sure your screws have that washer in it. And also it has thread lock on it too. Each of these screws already have thread lock on it. So once you screw it in, it should be pretty tight. But you don't want to screw it all the way in. So just like, I guess, putting lug nuts on a tire, I'm going to basically put in a star pattern too. So I'm basically putting it lightly. I'm not even going to tighten anything all the way down. I'm just putting all these pieces together first. Now I'm putting number 4 and 2 together, and right on top of it, as you can see, it overlaps the other one. So you probably want to just put it nice and light too, so you make sure it's all aligned. You don't want to tighten it all the way because then you're going to it might not fit. So I'm basically tightening clockwise and also the center, just so that it tightens all of it, pretty evenly on all sides. So that's really about it. It only took like 10 minutes or less to put this thing together. The main thing is to pull those little plugs out. Those plugs were the hardest thing to do in this whole thing. They were stuck in there, so I used a pair of pliers to take it out. Then you basically slide this thing in just like a walker's cane. There's 8 adjustment screws or adjustment levels that click in. So you just go ahead and click it in, and if you need it, push it in and twist it, move it down, adjust it, and click it back on. Overall, pretty sturdy. It's a good chair. So for the shower, it's fine. You could also probably take this apart if you want. But with that thread lock, I think it makes it a little difficult to take apart. So anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.